Okay, as you can see, the water is up to the bottom spout of my rain gutter, which is usually about 6 or 8 inches off the ground. But the whole yard is underwater. The fence is almost underwater over there. It's sagging in. But it's completely underwater. Everything. Jesus Christ. Everything's underwater. It's a mess.